wonderful new toy just arrived, not the book, but a scanner. And I can even make videos. The scanner consists of a very nice unit. That's about 40 centimeters high. The arm has the camera in it, and it folds down, and the base detaches, and the whole thing stores in a nice case, takes sensible amount of room. Runs off of USB, doesn't need any other power. Has built-in light. Put a book in front of it, open to where you want. It corrects curved pages. You line it up and press a foot switch, and it snaps a picture. You turn a page, and you push the switch, and you turn a page, and you push a switch, and that's all there is to it. It is brilliant. I actually spent proper money to get a good one for once.